Alright, this is a demonstration of our file uploading protocol that we developed for Linea, Metis, and Moonbeam. We currently have Metis working on mainnet only. The other two, we weren't supplied any tokens, so we only did testnet on those. You see here I put up a public file list. After you upload your file, you can choose to make it public. Click one of the hashes. Click retrieve file. File name was test-n.txt. It's one chunk, so it's less than 5 kilobytes. Hit download file. That's hitting the RPC server. There's our file. Boom, boom. Got renamed because I already had the file in our download folder. Now if we want to go back here, we can go to the testnet and I can show you uploading a file. But first, I'll show you a large file. Here's an MP3, 184 chunks, 920 kilobytes. It should take 5 seconds or so to download. And there we go. That's off. That was playing off the blockchain reconstructed from the smart contract. If we want to upload a file, we can go in here. We can either put our private key in, or you can use MetaMask. We'll just do a real brief demonstration here with a text file. Hello world of buidlers. We'll save that as buidl.txt. Let's close that. We'll choose that file. If I could find it. And then we will upload with MetaMask. We got to switch networks first. So we are on the Metis net right now. Let's get on the Metis testnet. And now let's upload with MetaMask. Alright, so here's our contract interaction. Estimated fee, gas, all that. Confirm. Should be uploading the data now. Wheels spinning. If we want, we can look at the data there. Oh, I caused an error now doing that, but whatever. It should upload unless that error screwed it up. Alright, so there's our hash. That's the actual hash of the file itself, not the transaction ID. So now if we look in here, that should be in our public files list right there. We can click on that or enter it in if you didn't choose to make it public. Hit retrieve. Oh. Let's reload the page because that error I caused did that. There's our file, buidl.txt, one chunk, less than 5 kilobytes. Hit download. There's our file. Hello world of buidlers. Now we can go ahead and do that on any of the chains listed here. We can go into Moonbeam. Here's the test file, retrieve. Well, I guess I'm getting some issues, of course, when you're testing stuff. There we go. Sorry, I just moved everything to my server and I'm having some network issues at home and I'm not there to fix it. So there's our file. This is a test file on Moonbeam. The uploading process is exactly the same. So we just want to go in here to MetaMask, switch our network over to Moonbeam AlphaNet, and then we can go choose a file. We can just upload that same buidl file, upload to MetaMask. Confirm. It's going to upload the chunks, and then when the chunk's done, it's going to ask to upload the metadata. I didn't mention that before. And Moonbeam, I noticed, was a lot slower than the others. There is chunk 1 of 1. Now it's going to ask for the metadata confirmation. Now it's uploading the metadata to the smart contract. Patiently waiting. Let's get the other one going while that's uploading. And we've got linea here. We do the same thing here. Upload file. Choose file. We'll go to the buidl file. Oh, we better get that done first. So there we go. Uploaded file successfully. We should be able to put this right in here. Retrieve file. There's our file. Now we're retrieving off of Moonbeam. Boom. Now we can go into linea. Switch MetaMask over to the linea testnet. Gritty. And now let's choose our buidl file one more time. Upload with MetaMask. And if you upload with a private key, you don't have to hit any of these confirmations. It'll just go boom, 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 boom. And if you're doing a large file, you pretty much have to do it that way. Otherwise, you have to hit confirm on every transaction chunk in MetaMask. You can batch it, but I didn't have enough time to get that implemented here for the build-a-thon. All right, so now we're uploading our first chunk again. This one's a lot faster. And here's our confirmation. Now we can put it in the public list. Show public list. There's our file. Retrieve file. There we go. Download file. And there we are. And now the last thing I wanted to show you was that we can also deploy a new contract right here. Now we're going to deploy a new contract. Might take a moment. No, right there. I just forgot to put it in the right area. So there's our new contract that it made. If it wasn't a black background, you could see it. And then we're going to take that and we can go into change current contract. We can put it in here, update that. And you can click here if you want to go see the new contract. See, there's nothing in there yet. And what we will do is upload that same file again. Well, we'll do a different one. Let us make a new one. File test. And we'll go in here, choose that file. File test. Upload with MetaMask. Now we confirm our metadata. And then we should be able to now take this, go to our, oh, we didn't upload the public file part. Oh, can't do a public file on a new contract. It's only on the main contract. So we need to take this hash, let's refresh this page, put that in there, and we're going to change our contract back to, well, now I forgot what it was. That's great. Let me find it real quick. Yeah, no, I messed messed up. Go here. Out, contract creation, right here. This guy. So here's our 2 transactions that we uploaded. And see, there's only 2. And if we were on the main contract, we can go back here and see. On the main contract, we've got all these because we were uploading, they would all go in there. So it'd be a huge mess of transactions. So you can make a private smart contract basically, which can be, implemented much more with further development. Anyway, all the source code is available on GitHub. The main source code was put on the web server because GitHub wouldn't let me upload all of it. But I'll stop there. Thank you.